If you want to play 2v2 online in Madden NFL 26, all you have to do is simply go to Quick Play and we can proceed to Superstar KO. Now, over here you should be able to find the setup. The most important part is of course the size, so here we can switch to 2v2. You can invite your friend if you wish to play with your friends. If you don't invite anyone, then you will be matched with another online player. You can also select yourself in order to choose your preferred role, so you can play as any role, offensive captain or defensive captain. And here we can also choose other stuff as well, such as the opponent, so we can set head-to-head or play against friend. And besides that, we have the mode itself, so it can be set to Superstar KO or NFL. And there is also the type, so in the case of Superstar KO, we have Infinite and Superstar KO. And in the case of NFL, we have KO and Exhibition. And that's pretty much it. So once you're ready, you can start playing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.